Europe, a continent where the echoes of the past are woven into the very fabric of the present. A land of ancient ruins, grand cathedrals, and vibrant cities, small in size yet immense in influence. Here, every stone and street corner tells a story, and every city is a living museum. Its history is a sweeping epic, empires rising and falling, ideas that changed the world, and people who shaped our future. From the philosophers of Athens to the artists of Florence, Europe has been a stage for revolutions in thought, art, and science. To walk through Europe is to walk through time. Roman aqueducts, medieval castles, and cities reborn from the ashes of war. Each era leaves its mark, layered upon the last, creating a tapestry of memory and resilience. This is a story of change, conflict, and the enduring human spirit. Through centuries of turmoil and triumph, Europe has continually reinvented itself, never losing sight of its roots. Europe's past isn't just about kings and battles, it's about the everyday people who built, farmed, and dreamed. Their hands shaped the land, their hopes fueled revolutions, and their stories echo in every village and city square. From scholars debating in ancient universities to artisans perfecting their crafts, the continent's legacy is written by millions of lives, both famous and forgotten. From the Aegean sunlit islands to the Atlantic's wild shores, Europe has been a crucible of innovation and drama. Its landscapes have inspired poets, explorers, and visionaries for generations. Its diversity, of landscapes, languages, and traditions, reflects a fragmented, fascinating past. Each region, each people, adds a unique thread to the continent's rich tapestry. Borders shift, empires fall, but a thread of continuity endures, shaping millions of lives today. The past is never far away, always present in the rhythms of daily life. Join us as we journey through the birth of Western civilization, the rise and fall of empires, and the forging of a continent whose past is always present. Discover how history lives on in every corner waiting to be explored. This is the ever-evolving story of Europe, a place where yesterday and tomorrow are forever intertwined. Our story begins in ancient Greece, where the seeds of Western civilization were sown. The Greeks pioneered democracy, philosophy, and science, leaving a legacy of art, literature, and architecture that still inspires. Yet their city-states were divided, making them vulnerable to new powers. Rome, once a small city-state, rose through military might and adaptability, building an empire that spanned continents. Roman engineering, roads, aqueducts, and monumental buildings held this vast realm together. The Pax Romana brought stability, trade, and the spread of ideas, with Latin and Roman law shaping Europe for centuries. But internal strife and external pressures led to Rome's decline. In 476 AD, the last Western Roman emperor fell, ending an era and plunging Europe into uncertainty. A new age was about to begin. Rome's collapse was not a single event, but a slow unraveling that spanned centuries. Once the heart of a vast empire, Rome's power faded as internal strife, economic troubles, and relentless invasions chipped away at its foundations. As the empire crumbled, Europe was left fractured into countless rival kingdoms, each vying for power and survival in a world suddenly without a central authority. Germanic tribes, Franks, Goths, Angles, and others, swept across the continent, carving out new realms from the ruins of Rome. These groups brought their own customs, languages, and traditions, forever changing the face of Europe. Trade routes faltered, cities shrank, and once bustling marketplaces fell silent. The urban life that had flourished under Rome gave way to a more rural, isolated existence. Amid this chaos, the Christian Church emerged as a powerful, stabilizing force. It preserved knowledge, offered hope, and united people through a shared faith that transcended borders and languages. Monasteries became sanctuaries of learning, where monks painstakingly copied ancient texts by hand, keeping the flame of classical wisdom alive for future generations. In the midst of this fragmented world, Charlemagne, king of the Franks, briefly revived the idea of a Western empire. He promoted education, reformed laws, and sparked a cultural revival known as the Carolingian Renaissance. But after Charlemagne's death, his empire splintered once more. Europe faced fresh waves of invasions from Vikings in the north, Muslims in the south, and Magyars from the east, plunging the continent into further turmoil. In response, local lords took up arms to defend their lands, laying the groundwork for the feudal system that would define medieval society for centuries. The church's influence continued to grow, shaping a shared European identity and providing a sense of unity in a divided world. This era of turmoil forced communities to adapt, innovate, and find new ways to survive, setting the stage for the medieval world that was to come. Europe became a patchwork of kingdoms, faith, and feudal power, each with its own unique identity and traditions. Out of the ruins of Rome, the foundations of modern Europe were being laid, shaping the continent's future for centuries to come. Out of chaos, feudalism emerged, a system built on land, loyalty, and protection. Kings granted land to nobles who relied on knights for defense, while peasants worked the land in exchange for safety. Life was harsh and rural, centered on the manor and dominated by the looming presence of castles. The knight, bound by chivalry, became the era's symbol, while the church shaped every aspect of life. Cathedrals soared, the Pope wielded immense power, and faith permeated society. The Crusades erupted, as popes called knights to reclaim the Holy Land, blending religious fervor with ambition. These wars failed to secure Jerusalem but transformed Europe, stimulating trade, spreading ideas, and deepening divides. The church's reach was absolute, but dissent was crushed. Feudalism and faith defined the medieval world, setting the stage for change. Europe was ready for a new awakening. The Renaissance dawned in Italy, sparking a rebirth of art, science, and human potential. Humanists celebrated individual achievement, fueling a cultural revolution. Masters like Leonardo and Michelangelo redefined art, while writers like Shakespeare explored the human soul. Scientific breakthroughs challenged old beliefs. Copernicus placed the sun at the center, and Gutenberg's press spread ideas rapidly. Curiosity pushed Europeans to explore the world. Columbus reached the Americas. Da Gama sailed to India. The Age of Discovery brought wealth and power to Europe, but also colonization, exploitation, and tragedy for others. Empires expanded, the world became interconnected, and Europe stood at the center of global change. The Renaissance transformed minds. Exploration transformed the map. A new era was underway. The 18th and 19th centuries shook Europe with revolution and industry. The French Revolution toppled monarchy, unleashed new ideas, and inspired movements across the continent. Napoleon's rise and fall redrew borders and spread the ideals of equality and nationalism. Meanwhile, the Industrial Revolution began in Britain, shifting production to factories and fueling economic growth. Cities swelled, a new working class emerged, and social tensions rose. Industrialization brought wealth and power, but also hardship and calls for reform. New ideologies, socialism, communism, took root, challenging the old order. Europe was transformed, but beneath its dominance, unrest simmered. The stage was set for even greater upheaval. By the 20th century, Europe was powerful but unstable, a continent on the brink. Alliances, rivalries, and nationalism ignited World War I, a brutal conflict that shattered empires and left Europe in ruins. The peace was fragile. Economic turmoil and resentment fueled the rise of fascism and Nazism. Hitler's aggression plunged Europe into World War II, a conflict of unprecedented scale and horror. Cities were destroyed, millions perished, and the Holocaust revealed humanity's darkest depths. The war ended with Europe devastated, its old order gone. Two new superpowers, the US and Soviet Union, emerged, dividing the continent. Europe's dominance was over, its future uncertain. The scars of war would shape the decades to come. A new struggle was beginning. After World War II, Europe was split by the Cold War, West versus East, democracy versus communism. The Iron Curtain divided nations, with Berlin at its heart, symbolized by the Berlin Wall. Western Europe rebuilt with American aid, while the East endured repression under Soviet control. For decades, Europe lived in the shadow of nuclear threat and ideological conflict. Yet the desire for freedom persisted, uprisings flared, and resistance simmered behind the wall. In the late 1980s, Soviet power waned, and peaceful revolutions swept Eastern Europe. The Berlin Wall fell in 1989 as crowds tore it down in a moment of hope and unity. The Cold War ended, and Europe began to heal its divisions. A new era of possibility dawned for the continent. The dream of a united Europe was reborn. The fall of the wall ushered in a new era, Europe, whole and free. For decades, the continent had been divided by ideology and barbed wire, families separated and dreams deferred. But in 1989, hope triumphed over fear, and the world watched as barriers crumbled, both physical and psychological. The European Union expanded, uniting East and West in a project of peace and prosperity. Former adversaries became partners, working together to build a future rooted in cooperation, democracy, and shared values. The EU became a symbol of what could be achieved when nations choose unity over division. Borders faded, economies merged, and cultures mingled, creating a vibrant, diverse continent. The Schengen Agreement allowed people to travel freely, fostering connections and friendships across nations. Cities became melting pots where languages, cuisines, and traditions blended in daily life. Yet, Europe remains a mosaic of languages, traditions, and identities. Its diversity is its strength. From the snowy peaks of Scandinavia to the sunlit shores of the Mediterranean, each region adds its own color to the European tapestry. The EU faces challenges: Brexit, debates over identity, and new global pressures. Political disagreements and economic uncertainties test the bonds that hold the Union together, reminding all that unity requires constant effort and dialogue. Europe's legacy is complex: sublime art, profound ideas, and dark chapters of war and oppression. Its museums and monuments tell stories of both triumph and tragedy, of creativity and courage, but also of suffering and loss. Its history is a lesson in resilience and reinvention. Time and again, Europe has rebuilt from the ashes, finding new ways to move forward while honoring the past. Today, Europe confronts new tests: climate change, migration, and shifting power. The continent must adapt to a rapidly changing world, balancing tradition with innovation and compassion with security. But its story is one of rebuilding, adaptation, and hope. Across its cities and countryside, people work to create a sustainable, inclusive future, drawing on the lessons of history to shape tomorrow. From ancient Greece to the modern EU, Europe's journey is a testament to the power of ideas and the human spirit. Its evolution is marked by the pursuit of knowledge, justice, and a better life for all its people. The story continues, written every day in its cities and societies, as new generations add their voices to the ongoing symphony of unity and diversity.